What's going on, guys? Oregon Motorcycle back here today with another episode. Look at this. This is a WR250. This is a 2008 model, and for being a 2008, this thing is pretty clean. Now, this is a for sale video, so this bike is for sale in the Portland metro area. It's quite a cool bike. I've been riding it around right now, checking it out. And so let's see, this is a 2008. It's got approximately 3,900 miles on it, I believe it said 38 or 3,900 miles on it. It's got brand new tires, and it's got a new fuel pump. The fuel pump was put on by Yamaha dealership. It's got an aftermarket horn, which is super loud. I just tried it out. Yeah, so I was just checking it out, kind of wiping it down. It has been parked for a while, but it starts right up, runs great. You can see, like, so point out some of the not so good things is the hand guards. They need to be replaced. It's just old plastic. It's been sitting for a while. But I mean, honestly, that's really the only thing that's jumping out at me. Maybe the chain needs some maintenance, but it's coming with the racks. Looks like it's got a little toolkit. This thing is ready to hit the trails big time. It's got adjustable suspension, dampening and rebound up front on the front forks. Not really sure if the back is adjustable. It seems like it would have some dampening or rebound adjustments. I don't see any right now, but anyways, if you guys know more about this bike, you guys can comment down below in the comments. I'm going to list a phone number. You guys can call this phone number direct and talk to the person that is selling it. But I don't know, man. Let's go for a ride and check it out. Again, this is the WR250R. So, if you want to do a comparison to like my CBX, this thing, the seat's really tall, so I got a tippy-toed on one foot. But yeah, so oh, it looks like it may have some aftermarket handlebar risers here too. Not 100% sure on that. Yeah, baby. So yeah, this bike's fun. So like I said, I just been cruising around. The tags are still good too, so it's got good tags. It gets up and goes too for a little 250. Just pretty cool, pretty cool. So we'll just go put it around through the neighborhood. The brakes work really, really good. Barely touch the back brake, and it's wanting to skid out the back. So probably should adjust my mirrors. Good thing I didn't try to pop a wheelie right now. I don't know, man. These cops are always hanging out at this church. What's going on here, guys? Like, I'll come down here at 2 or 3 in the morning. There'll be 3 cop cars sitting there at that church. It's the weirdest thing. Anyways, back to the bike. This is a fun little compact bike. It feels really compact. And it's light. You know, with these knobbies on it though, you're not going to have that traction. I can already feel the, you know, like I said, the back tires are skidding around a little bit and whatnot, but this is a sweet little ride. So it's got this dash up front here, and I don't know exactly what all the dash does. Well, it's got a speedometer there, so that's good. You can see how fast you're going. Oh, it wants to wheelie. It wants to wheelie. This thing pulls good for a 250. Man, I'm impressed. You know, it's a lot lighter than my bike, but man, it's a good pulling bike here. Good pulling bike. I've always liked the Yamaha blue too. Feels good. This would be a sweet bike to have, honestly. All right. Oh boy, that's a reach down. So the seat height is tall. I got 1 foot down on the ground, and that's all I can get is 1 foot down, tippy-toed. So so it's a little taller. I don't know what the seat height is. It's got to be somewhere around 33, I would guess, if not more. So the mirrors are all right. You can see in the mirrors. You can see this Dodge all up in my ass. And the pegs feel really good. It's got the spiky pegs or whatever. So that's pretty cool. Actually, I know where some dirt is right now. Yeah, baby. Yeah, the suspension feels really good. A lot better than my CBX off-road. Watch the speed through there. That was fun. Got my blinker on still. Let's go open the park and see what's cracking. Turning. It's a good feeling bike. It's a good deal right here if you guys are interested. Suspension feels really good. So a little bit of the history on this bike is so the guy that owned it, I believe he was the original owner, he had some complications, okay, health-wise. And so that's why he's getting rid of it. But like I said, the recent work that's been done, not really like, well, recent as far as miles go, but it's been the fuel pump and the tires. And like I said, the only really aftermarket thing I can see is like maybe these handguards that need to be replaced, and then the horn. And the horn is horn's loud. We're gonna test that horn in a minute. So, and it's got these racks on the back, which is pretty cool. Bike gets up and goes for a 250, I can tell you that. Yeah, it feels good. Woo! Backing it in, baby, backing it in. Nice. Horn. Okay, you guys want to hear the horn? It's freaking loud. It's loud, all right. Yeah, baby. Yeah. Oh yeah, it wants to come up real easy. I bet this bike will probably wheelie easier than my bike, but I don't want to loop this out on a test drive. Yeah, I like that lower end torque you get on the thumpers, the little 4 cylinders. You know, feels pretty good. Feels pretty damn good. And of course, the dual sport, licensed up, fully street legal. Got the turn signals, everything, high beams, low beams, brake lights, all that good stuff. Yeah, baby. All right. Keep riding a little bit longer. This bike's fun. pulls really good, you guys. This is a good pulling bike. I highly, if you guys are interested in this type of bike, I highly suggest that you come by and take a look at it and check it out. It's like I said, it's been like parked for a while, so like, and I just gave it a quick wipe down with a towel, and so I went over the bike a little bit, you know, myself personally, and the bike's in good shape. It's in good shape, so it's not like this bike has been thrashed. If you want to say, oh, it's been adult owned or whatever that means, you know, all that good stuff. So and like I said, the brakes, the clutch, everything feels really good. So getting a phone call. Let's see if I can. Hello? Yep, this is Michael. Awesome. I'll be down there in a little bit to pick him up. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
All right, my tires are done. I'm getting new, got new tires put on the CBX today, so I figured I'd come check out this bike. This bike's fun. I don't want to stop riding. All right, well, a couple more blocks and then we got it. Yeah, dude, this bike, I could just have a lot of fun on this thing. A lot of fun. But anyways, I'm gonna take it back and get this video done up for you guys. Go get my tires put back on my bike and all that good stuff. So I thank you guys for watching. If you guys have any questions about the bike, check out the phone number in the video here, and I'll list a phone number down in the description. You guys can come check this bike out. Until next time, folks, Oregon Motorcycle.